Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about basket support for Pitco Part A4500601. Basket support for Pitco Part A4500601 is a replacement part for the Pitco Frialator fryer. It is designed to support the fryer basket and keep it in place while in use. The basket support is made of stainless steel and is corrosion resistant. It has a slotted design that allows for easy installation and removal of the basket. The basket support also helps to reduce splashing of hot oil when the basket is lowered into the fryer. This part is an essential component for keeping your Pitco Frialator fryer running smoothly and safely. This part fixes the following symptoms. The A4500601 is a replacement basket for Pitco fryers. It is designed to replace worn or damaged baskets and help ensure that the fryer operates properly. The basket can help fix symptoms such as food not cooking evenly, food sticking to the basket, and baskets not fitting properly in the fryer. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the fryer. 2. Remove the existing basket support from the fryer. 3. Install the new basket support by aligning the holes in the support with the holes in the fryer. 4. Secure the basket support with screws and washers provided with your new part. 5. Turn on power to the fryer and test for proper operation of your new basket support. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.